Imgex.ai has just been released and it's making waves in the AI space. But is it really the game changer it claims to be? In this review, we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about Imgex.ai to decide if it's the right AI software for you. Stick around till the end because you won't want to miss the surprising features that set this tool apart from the competition. First off, Imgex.ai is designed to automate image generation with the power of AI. Whether you're a digital marketer, a content creator, or someone looking to integrate AI into your workflows, Imgex.ai has a lot to offer. The biggest draw here is how fast it generates high-quality images, saving you valuable time compared to manual creation. You'll get access to a range of templates and a highly intuitive user interface, making it easy to use even for beginners. One of the most powerful aspects of Imgex.ai is its customization features. Unlike many other AI image generators, Imgex.ai lets you adjust the details of your images by tweaking parameters such as style, theme, and even emotion. This is crucial for marketers and designers who need images that aren't just random but fit their specific needs, whether it's for social media, blogs, or advertising campaigns. What sets Imgex.ai apart is its integration with a variety of platforms. It's not just standalone software, it works seamlessly with content management systems, social media tools, and even email marketing platforms. This level of integration means you can streamline your workflow and boost productivity, saving you even more time. Another highlight is Imgex.ai's ability to generate both static images and animated visuals. In a world where video content is becoming more and more essential, this is a game-changing feature. Whether you're creating GIFs or animated banners for your website, Imgex.ai has you covered. It's rare to find an AI tool that can handle both, which makes this feature incredibly valuable. Now, if you're concerned about cost, here's the good news. Imgex.ai offers a completely free version of its software. That's right, you can get started without spending a dime. This free version gives you access to a limited set of features, but it's more than enough to test the software and see if it fits your needs. If you're looking for more advanced functionality, there are affordable paid plans available. Another thing to keep in mind is how user-friendly Imgex.ai is. The platform's design is clean and simple, which is refreshing compared to other more complicated AI tools. Whether you're new to AI or experienced with software like this, you'll find it easy to navigate and start generating images immediately. And finally, Imgex.ai is continuously updating and improving its features. The team behind it seems committed to keeping it relevant and valuable to its users, with regular updates and new features being rolled out. So, if you're interested in trying Imgex.ai, check out the link in the description below for a free trial. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've handpicked a selection of the best ones, and Imgex.ai definitely deserves a spot on that list. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore the other recommended AI software in the description to help you elevate your digital marketing and content creation.